Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Olive Garden Italian dressing. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Also, have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, let's start building our delicious dressing. First, pour the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water into a 16-ounce mason jar. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Secure the lid tightly on your jar, or if using a bowl, grab a whisk. This forms the creamy, tangy base of our dressing. With our wet ingredients combined, it's time to infuse that classic Italian flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning to the jar. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for a savory kick. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This helps balance the tanginess. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. These dry ingredients are key to the dressing's signature profile. Almost there. Now, secure the lid on your jar and shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want to ensure all the ingredients are fully emulsified and the dressing is smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, refrigerate your homemade dressing for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to shake it again before each use, and then drizzle generously over your favorite salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.